everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is Mighty Patch. Find out why over 100,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. So, are you tired of waking up to surprise breakouts? Are you struggling to find a solution that's both effective and gentle on your skin? Well, introducing these revolutionary pimple patches, your new secret weapon for clear, blemish-free skin. It's a #1 bestseller. So these ultra-thin, transparent patches blend seamlessly with your skin, allowing you to wear them during the day. With over 145,000 ratings on Amazon, let's talk about how you use them. Simply apply the patch to clean, dry skin and let it work its magic. No mess, no fuss, and you can easily carry them with you on the go. They're suitable for all skin types, and these patches are non-irritating and free from harsh chemicals, ensuring they're gentle on your skin. These Mighty Patches are a game changer. Pimple patches are infused with powerful ingredients that work together to reduce inflammation, redness, and the size of pimples within 6 to 8 hours. So whether you're a teenager dealing with hormonal acne or an adult experiencing the occasional breakout, these Mighty Patches are designed to provide quick relief and restore your confidence. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.